we have a good idea, I think, around. Alright, so we're on our way to an auction to see if there's any bottle babies that we can get. Right, buddy? But we just stopped because Angela saw a tractor for sale. Hopefully we can find one bottle baby that's not triple the price they should be, so we'll see. Right, Rainy? What do you think, Dean?
That one's pretty.
Cows?
No guarantee. Gotta get to the 6 out of bill. I get to the 6 out of bill. This time I get to the money down. No, I get to the 6 out of bill. Get to the 6 here, 6 here, get to the 6 here, and 6. 205 will be Brewer. 4X, 205 Brewer, 4X. I can see what it is, 9 out of 9. This time, 9 out of 9, you do 2 whole time. Gotta get to the 9, get to the 9, I gotta make you do 10, you do 2, 10, 10, 10, 10, you do 7, 9, you do 2, 10, 2, 10, 9 here, 10. I got $11. This is $11, 12, you do the 12, 13, you do the 13, count, you do the 13, 14, you do the $40, $50. This is the thing, you do the 16, you do the $16. This is 16, you do the $16, $16. $11, 16, 2, 15, 3, 6, 7, 1. I get to the $1 bill. This is the 2, 1, you do the $1, you do the 2, 2, $1, you do the 2, 1, 1, 1, I can get to the 1 of the bill. The 2 of 1, and you do the 1 of the 2. I can do the 2 of the 2, you do 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 the 2, I can 200, 2, 2, 2 of 1, 7, 1, 3, 6, 7, 8. I am 30 for the bill. Get to 33, 35, 37, you do the 39, you do the 41, 43, you do the 43, 45, you do the 45, 5, 5, you do the 45, 7, you do the 7 out of 9. Get to 49, you do the 51, you do the 1 of the 3, you do the 5, 35, 30, you do the 3, 3, 35, you do the 5, 5, 7, you do the 7, you do the 7 out of the 5, 7, you do the 6, 7, you do the 7, 7, 7, you do the 7 out of the 7, you do the 7, you do the 7, 7, 7, 7, 256, Luke 44. I am 204 over 4. Good 2 forward, you can do 4 then, you can do 4 behind, I can land 6 7, you can do 7 7 9, you can do 9 9 3 now 5 25 5 5 7, you can do 27 9, you can do 29 9, you can do 29, you can do 9 here, you do 9, you can do 49, you can do 7 out of 9 9 9 9 9 227 3C 5X 227 3C 5X.
Mansfield, long time, 2 shots, no casino. Long time, 2 shots, no casino. They 577 pound average yard now. They pretty nice little ladies right there. They little girls right there forward. 50.
Well, 215, you can do 100, you can do 1, and you can do 100, you can do 100, you can do 5 1, 5 1, you can do 100, you can do 1, 1, you can do 1, 1, you can do 5 1, 5 1, you can do 100, 102, you can do 62, you can do down 3, you can do 3, 3, 3, 4, you can do 105, you can do 5, 5, 5, you can do 5, you can do 255, 5, you can do 5 here, 5, you can do 6 here, you can do 6, you can do down 6, 7, you can I am going down there. I am 281, 81, 81, 81, 1, you can do 6 here, you can 7, 5, you can do 7, 7, 8, you can hit it down,
Same good count. They not wing, 2 round shots right off the count. Now 46 pound yards. Some of those girls see right there forward. 73.
I am 270 for the middle. You have 73, you can do the 39, you can do the 39, you can do the 73, 73, you can do the 3, 3, 3, 3, you can do the 3, you have 273, you can do the 39, high command, 4, 5, you can do the down 5, you can do the 6, you can do the 6, 7, you have 77, you can do the 7, 8, you can do the 8, 8, 8, 8, you can do the 79, 80, you have 18, you can do
Hey, some little lads right there forward. 78.
I am 200 and you can do 78 on the middle. You have 78, yeah, hit it over, you can do the 8, you can do 8, you can do 8, 8, 8, you can hit it over 8.
Is it a lot?
Most of them had 1 round. Some of them had 2 right there before the count.
Look, buddy. Look at the cars.
They all be nice good steers now. All be nice good steers. They bring it out just now. Bring it out. 477 right there forward.
21, 1, 1, 3, 23, 29, Luke 37, Luke 23, Luke 37.
Bring it out.
I am 301. You can do 31, you can do 100, you can do 300, you can do 100, you can do 31, you can do 102, you can do 32, you can do 3, you can do 3, 3.
Alright, so there really wasn't any babies for sale today. It was all cattle like our size. So we obviously didn't get any, but they were still going for really overpriced, which is good for selling, but obviously not good when you're trying to buy. So and now we have a good idea, I think, a roundabout of what we'll get for our cow. However, we don't know really yet still who we want to sell, who we want to keep. We played with the idea of selling all of them, but then we played with the idea of keeping Scooby because we just love her so much. And then we also played with the idea of keeping all 4 of them and just having them have babies. So, because Beast Boy is a bull and the other 3 are actually females, so we could start our own little herd. So I don't know. We go back and forth a lot, but now at least we have a really good sense of what we would get if we decided to sell and start fresh. We're gonna try again to keep coming to auctions, but I don't see the prices changing, which doesn't matter. If it's a bottle baby, we would be willing to spend a little bit more, but definitely not for the bigger ones because we don't have any need for them right now. So yeah, try again next time. But Dane did really good and Min did really, really good, so it was actually nice this time. Last time they did good, but they were younger and they definitely didn't like have a good time compared to this time, in my opinion.